and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amrita, and today we're gonna be unboxing and trying out Nimya products by Nikkie Tutorials. I'm really excited to try these out. It took a little while to get here, but you know, with the pandemic going on, everything's been taking a long time. It says it takes you 3 days, it takes you 5 days, 7 days, you know, I can go on and on. So it's not just her, it's pretty much everywhere that I've been ordering from. But I'm sure the wait is worth it, and I'm really excited to try these out. So I already opened the box, okay? And then the first thing you see, oh, and let me tell you, when I first got the box, I was kind of thrown off because it comes with this warning label because there's a battery in here. That's because of the fan that you get. And then when you open it up though, it's really cute. Here, let me show you. So when you open it up, it says Nimya right there. And then there is Nikkie Tutorials' face. Can you see it? I did open it up earlier just to make sure that I received everything, so it's a little out of place. The products that she is currently selling right now is the Where It All Starts cream, and this is a moisturizer and a primer hybrid. And this is what I got free in the bundle, her fan, which I'm really excited to use because I use like a little hand fan, but I'm really excited to use a hand mini fan. And then we have License to Glow serum. And I absolutely love the name. I can't believe that it wasn't taken like she said. And then we have the cooling eye stick. I know she said to say the name. It's like, but I can't roll my R's, so I don't want to say it. And then we also have the I'll probably get like my sister or someone to put in the sound effect. The Nimya Set It and Forget It setting spray. This is one of the products I'm also really excited to try. Honestly, I wouldn't say I'm excited to try all these. I feel like these products aren't necessarily like just skincare, or like a makeup. It's like a kind of hybrid of both. Like the cooling eye stick, I can see just using it by itself. You know, like if you're just gonna put on a mask, just put it on before you go out. Or like actually using it before you apply your makeup. Same thing with the Where It All Starts cream. This is like a moisturizer primer. I can see just putting it on and not necessarily putting makeup on. And then they all come in these boxes, right? And then it does tell you like the ingredients. And one thing I really do like is it tells you how to like use it. And what it is, but it's in multiple languages. I'm gonna go ahead and put the box away and let's get started. So I read all the descriptions and I will read them to you to kind of give you an idea of why I chose the steps to put them on. The 3 that I'm gonna use right now is going to be the License to Glow serum. I'm gonna use the Where It All Starts cream and then the cooling eye stick as well. I already did wash my face. I was gonna use toner, but the License to Glow says to put it on a clean blank canvas before moisturizer. So I'm not gonna use my toner that I usually use just because I don't wanna mess up the point of this product. And it says that the License to Glow serum is all you need when you want a fresh, radiant, lit from within complexion. So we put this on your clean blank canvas before moisturizer. So after this, I think I'm gonna put on the moisturizer primer. And it makes sense because it's a serum. So I think I might do this and then the cooling eye stick before I do the Where It Starts cream because it is a moisturizer slash hybrid. And I know usually you put skincare products after the serum so that it really gets into your pores and everything. That's not very scientific, but you know what I mean. When we open this up, you see Nikkie. I really do like that that it has a little personal touch to it. And it says unfold the packaging of the box for extra tips. Okay. So, ooh. Oh yeah, I remember her talking about this in her unveiling. This is very pretty. It's like it's giving off like a coppery color. And I believe this is the one, right, where it's gonna be blue. Oh wow, look at that. There you go. Look how pretty that color is. Oh yeah, and then I remember she said she couldn't wait for when we put it on like on the Instagram reels and everything. Okay, so we're gonna try to read the box. Oh look, it comes with a little thing. Oh cool. I think this is in different languages. And then I think the inside, yeah. So this little thing is in different languages and in the inside is gonna be in English. I kind of don't want to break the box though. Oh, but I mean, that's why she did it, right? Okay, so, oh man. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. You see right there. That's a really nice packaging. And it says, wear alone for a luminous look. Apply powder highlighter to intensify that gorgeous glow. Your foundation looking a little too flat, mix in a couple of drops. Okay. Pair with the cream. There you go. For a base and flawless foundation application. And you could also pair the serum with your day and or night cream. Okay, to maximize your glow. Okay, I'm gonna try and say it like her. Because in a world of mattes, glow baby, glow. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on first. And I'm sure we probably don't need a lot. I'm really excited because of the pretty color. You're gonna just... Oh, wow. Then I put enough. And bring it down the neck. Makes it a little shiny. Now it didn't tell you how much to use, so I kind of made sure I had enough to cover my whole face with a little thin layer. And it does come out really smooth. It does give a nice little like cooling effect that I didn't think I was gonna get out of it. The serum I usually use is the Drunk Elephant serum. So I really like the cooling effect because I don't get that from the Drunk Elephant serum. Okay, so now that we have the serum on, the next thing we're going to do is put on the cooling eye stick. She did say to use this before using foundation and before using primer. And she did say to store it in the refrigerator to add to the cooling effect. According to this, sweep from outer to inner on the corners of your eyes and on upper and lower lids. Okay. And this is supposed to give an instant depuffing. Ooh. And it has this little thing. And this is what it looks like. Let me see. Oh, okay. There you go. See the little... Oh, look. It's like a little light blue too. That's pretty cool. Okay. So it said from the outer to the inner. Oh wow, that's a big stick too. Okay. Oh wow, I do see a little bit of depuffing. Oh wow. Can you guys tell? I should have just done one eye first. So when it says on the top, I wonder if it's like up here. Like, I don't know if I'm doing this part right though. I don't want to get too close to the eyelid. I don't want it to go into my eye. But can you guys see the difference? I can see the difference on my under eyes too, because I always have bags. So the next part that we're gonna use is the Nimya Where It All Starts cream. I'm really excited to try this. To be honest, I've never used like a moisturizer primer hybrid. I kind of just stick to, you know, one moisturizer and one primer. Oh wow. Oh wow, look, this is so pretty. I don't know if the camera is catching the shine of this. You know what? It did. I remember in the video, it did look a little bit chunkier, but here it does look more on the softer side. Oh wow, it says you could store it in the fridge too if you need an extra boost of confidence. Okay. After applying, gently tap skin with your fingers to get that blood stimulation going and for optimal absorption of the ingredients. All right, let's go ahead and try a little bit of that. This is giving me a nice cooling effect. So sorry about that. I didn't realize that my camera actually shut off while I was putting on the cream. And I put the cream on, and to be honest, I am pleasantly surprised. If you look at my skin, it is glowy. It does give that glow from within look, but it's not like too shiny, because you know I'm a combination girl, so like my skin is a little oily but not too oily. And then some creams, what they do is they just make me look shiny. But this doesn't really do that. I actually feel like it kind of helps reduce like the look of the pinkness that I have right here. And honestly, I feel like a little bit does go a long way. I feel like I put a little too much on my face, but then I actually was able to kind of put a little bit on my neck area as well. So it worked out fine. But I do think like this will last you a really long time. And then what she said was put it on and it kind of tap, right? So that way it helps get the product on your face and the product absorbed into your skin. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with foundation and see how the primer part works. And I'm gonna go in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24 Hour in the shade Tan. I really am sad that there's no more of the Becca foundation because I really like this foundation. It worked really well for me, especially since I didn't always have time to touch on my face wherever I went. I do like my primer to be a little bit on the tacky side, kind of like, you know, when you have eyeshadow primer, because you want the primer to hold the product. And I'm gonna say I'm really impressed with that cooling stick because I can really see that my underbags are almost like not even there anymore. And I will say it's doing a really great job of keeping the foundation on my nose. I noticed because of our T-zone, sometimes the foundation, or depending on the primer, like the combo, the foundation doesn't really stay on my nose. So it looks like it's actually staying on my nose, which I really appreciate. Oh wow, and it does look like it did smooth out some of the looks of texture on my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to do the setting spray and use the fan and tell you my final thoughts. Alright guys, now that I have done my makeup, I'm going to go in with the Set It and Forget It setting spray. According to this, we're gonna have to shake it before the use, mist the spray before, during, or after applying your makeup. Oh, I like this. Spray away the makeup haters and don't forget to fan your face to lock it all in. So I got my spray and I already got my fan ready to go. Now we're gonna do final thoughts. I love the scent in the setting spray, and when you use the fan, you keep smelling and it smells really good. Another thing is I really love the Where It All Starts cream. To be honest, I was really pleasantly surprised with how much of the foundation stuck to my nose. Because to be honest, I am like I said earlier, like a combination skin, like half oily, half not so oily or dry. But around my nose, specifically right here and around the nostrils, is where my makeup just does not stick. It'll stick right here on the sides, it'll stick on my cheeks, my chin, whatever. But it never sticks on my, like in this area. And it always looks kind of funky, like cakey, so you always have to go in with the baking powder and just really bake your nose really well. And with this, I was pleasantly surprised that the foundation really did stick to my nose. And I even feel like the primer was very tacky, and that I feel like maybe I even used less foundation than I needed to. I started recording this video and another one about what, 2 hours ago? And what do you guys think? Does my eye still look the same? Like the under eye area, I feel like it's not as baggy. And I haven't even put that in the refrigerator, so I'll see what it feels like next time. The one thing that I really liked was that all of these products were all cooling when it touched your face. I was not ready for that. And I did like it, at least right now where the weather's not that cold. I might not like it so much when it's like really cold in the bay. But as of right now, I really like it. I like the calming effect it has when you put like the moisturizer primer on your face. And I did like that it was tacky, but it wasn't too tacky to where it just feels like, you know, when you touch your face and your face just feels sticky. So far, I think I like all the items I got from Nimya. But yeah, I just wanted to say I'm pleasantly surprised by all the products in the Nimya collection. I guess if I had to choose one, it would probably be this cream. This is my first time trying out like a moisturizer hybrid, and I'm pleasantly surprised by it. If I can use less foundation, less product on my face, and still get results like this, I'm very happy about it. Let me know what you think is your favorite item from the Nimya collection. Are you going to buy anything from the Nimya collection? Are you now thinking about buying anything after seeing everything that I showed you today? Please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. and like this video so I know to do more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, mode. See, now I feel like I have to really learn my R's. Like, okay, let me try. Okay, Brrr. It's okay. We're not gonna try. Ooh. Oh, it's a twist. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. I'm breaking it. Oh, that's in tight. All right, there you go.